So, looking at this question, Jimbo's going to be moving west, followed by northwest. First off, let's graph it. So, here we have our XY plane, reflecting our north, south, east, and west idea. It's going to go 6 miles west. So let's start with that. Then he's going to go another 3 miles northwest. So it's going to be going in this direction. Remember that's going to be at a 45-degree angle. Now, this was already 6, followed by another 3 right here. One thing that you can do to help you stay organized with your X and Y thoughts is you can think about a little XY coordinate system in there. And since it cuts that 90-degree angle, bisects it to 2 equal portions of 45 degrees. You have 45 degrees right here, plus another 90 degrees, all together producing 135 degrees. So what we have now is 135 degrees. We're trying to get from here, the starting point, to here. This is 6, the second leg is 3. This is a side angle, side triangle situation. So whenever you have this kind of situation, you can always use law of cosines, all right? LOC, law of cosines. The equation is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. Notice, in the equation, a is opposite a. Over here, opposite the angle, right? We'll call this 135 angle A, right? This is little side A, that's the mystery side we're looking for. Doesn't matter which one's B and which one's C. I'll just make this one B, this one C. Plugging in the parts now, right? A is the mystery value we don't know. B squared, which is 3 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 3 times 6. Cosine of the angle opposite there and in the triangle. That'll never fail you, setting up your law of cosines. At this point, we're just crunching a number. I'm going to subject myself to using a calculator. It happens every once in a while. Check your mode. Make sure you're in what mode? Degree mode. Lovely. All right, so here we go. 3 squared and 6 squared. Okay, and we get an answer of 8.39, which is closest to C, 8.4. All right, we get an A value about 8.39, round that to 8.4. Recapping the question, it was a matter of knowing that every single north, south, east, west question can be put to the XY coordinate plane. This northwest was just a 135-degree idea. Once we got the 45 plus the 90, from there you need to recognize law of cosines. There's going to be almost one guaranteed of one question, law of cosines, one question, law of sines on the CSET test. So be ready for it. These are cheat points. All right, if you can do this one, go ahead and do the follow-up question.